Mind-body or body-mind, what's the difference? We're looking at the difference between where we begin and where we go. In neuroscience, we talk about top-down for neurological functioning that begins in the highest brain, the cerebral frontal lobe, and continues down into lower brain systems. And bottom up, neurological functioning is something that begins in the lower brain and continues up into all the way into the frontal lobe. Then we've generalized those terms, top down and bottom up, to include information that we get from the body that then goes up into our brain. So that would be body-mind. Or information that begins in our brain and continues down into our bodies, mind-body. So mind-body work, mind-body medicine, mind-body therapy uses the mind to support the body. So an example of that is that we could think, okay, I'm safe. I want to calm down now. I've looked around. I've seen. I'm safe now. I'm not hearing any danger. And I can safely feel my body at this point. So any suggestions that we give the body from the mind, we could call mind-body work. On the other hand, body-mind work can begin with the body and let what's happening in the body support the mind. So an example of that would be any kind of movement, doing yoga, listening to your body, feeling the sensations in your body right now, which is what is the basis of our embodiment practice in body-mind psychotherapy and embodied spirituality. So feel the sensations in your body right now, scan through. And the sensations in your head count as body because your head is part of the body. So feel the sensations in your face, in your throat, in your chest and shoulders. I'm moving a little bit to wake up sensation. In your limbs, down into your belly, pelvic floor, pelvis, legs, and feet. By feeling your sensations, giving them more space in your awareness, that naturally we found, research has shown us that the more sensation there is, the less thinking there is. So there's an inverse relationship, and as we know, oftentimes we're better off thinking less and not more. Usually most things we are overthinking by sometimes a degree of thousands. So, body-mind starts with the body and influences the mind. This is really important in terms of safety because when we're assessing safety on a purely mental basis, then we're not really perceiving the environment very fully. So we'll tend to be going on our past experiences of danger or safety. Whereas if we assess that it's safe enough to go into our bodies right now, and we move into movement and sensation, the more we're there, the more we are cultivating an experience of safety. We have to be safe to feel our bodies, and the more we feel our bodies, the safer we feel. So we're practicing safety, and we're entraining our brains into an experience of safety. So I hope that's helpful to you in your own cultivation of safety for yourself and in your work with others, helping them to experience more safety. Okay, thank you so much.